Hello and welcome to our PKSim online tutorial series. Please be reminded that the results of the checkmarked videos are necessary to be able to follow the content of this video properly. In this video, we will show you how to add different formulation types in PKSim. For intravenous administration, you do not need to define a formulation. To create a formulation, right-click on Formulations in the Building Block Explorer and choose Add Formulation. A new window, Create Formulation, will open. Click on the drop-down menu and choose a formulation type. You have different options. You can choose Dissolved for an oral solution or in case of a very fast dissolution of the formulation. Weibull for an oral formulation whose dissolution follows the Weibull function, or Lint80 for an oral formulation if a linear release until 80% dissolution is assumed. Particle dissolution shows the dissolution following the Noyes-Whitney equation. By choosing Table, you can add a dissolution profile from literature. You can add a table with the two columns time and fraction of dose dissolved by hand or by choosing a file containing a table. You can choose zero order or first order if your formulation is dissolved following zero or first order kinetics respectively. To set up a simulation for our example midazolam, choose the formulation type dissolved and name your formulation solution. Click OK. Your formulation solution appears on the left side. If you right-click on the formulation, you have different options. You can edit, rename, clone, or delete your formulation. Many thanks for watching.